AI is revolutionizing industries and is projected to replace 95 million jobs by 2026. But where some see disruption, others see opportunity. You do not need to be a developer or engineer. Right now, you can be the middleman helping businesses adopt AI tools they do not yet understand. There are a fast-growing number of no-code AI tools anyone can learn. ChatGPT, Intercom, Clay AI, Instantly AI, Jasper AI, Opus AI, and more. And once you understand them, you can offer AI installation services to businesses. Let us look at customer support. Most businesses pay their reps about $45,000 a year. But with Intercom, you can set up an AI support agent that handles emails, live chat, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram DMs, all for around 99 cents per conversation. Implementation usually takes about a week. You could charge $3,000 for a one-time setup and $1,000 per month to maintain. That is a fraction of the $45,000 a year they would pay for human staff, and it runs 24/7. Once they see the value, businesses will want more. And here is where your AI business really scales. Offer more services like Jasper AI for blogs, social media, and website content, replacing a $60,000 a year marketer. Opus AI to automate video editing for Reels, TikToks, webinars. Clay AI to generate and qualify leads like a $100,000 business development rep. Each of these can be billed at $3,000 to $10,000. One business, multiple services. In my experience, most clients will want 5 to 7 of these tools. That means each client could be worth $20,000 or more to your business. AI is already reshaping the job market. The businesses that adapt will survive, those that do not, will not. That is where you come in. This is your chance to build a future-proof income stream by helping others adopt AI. Be the one who installs the tools, delivers the value, and gets paid well for it. The time is now.